Today I'm going to walk you through how to download and install BS.Player on a Windows computer. If you need a simple and fast media player for watching videos or listening to music, BS.Player is still a solid option because it supports a wide range of file formats and works smoothly even on older PCs. I'll guide you through the entire setup process from start to finish. Let's begin. Start by opening your preferred internet browser. Search for official BS.Player download. From the search results, open the official BS.Player website. After the page loads, find the latest version available for Windows. There is a free version. Click the download button to begin downloading the installer. Depending on your internet speed, the file should finish downloading pretty quickly. When the download is finished, start the installer. If you see a Windows security pop-up asking for permission, click Yes. During setup, you might see optional offers or additional software recommendations. If you only want BS.Player, make sure to deselect any extra offers during this installer. You'll now see the license agreement. Accept the agreement to move forward with the installation. Then, click Next. Decide if you want icons created or not, and also if you want to use BS.Players for all the supported files. Then click Next. Next again. Choose your preferred language. Next, choose where you want BS.Player to be installed. Click Install. Most users can simply keep the default installation path. If a pop-up comes about missing codecs, you need those to be able to run specific files, install them to be up to date. Windows will begin copying the program files to your computer. After a few moments, the installation will complete. Click Finish to close the setup wizard. BS.Player should now open automatically. That's all there is to it. You've successfully installed BS.Player on your Windows PC. If you found this tutorial useful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more software tutorials, Windows guides, and PC tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.